Hi-ho, cosmic compatriots! Happy to have you for the first void of 2026. As is our tradition, this month we will be previewing some of our favorite space missions of the year ahead. Last month wrapped with an end-of-the-year gift from NASA, the SphereX telescope team released the telescope's first map of the sky. SphereX captures the entire sky in 102 infrared colors. The blue in the image represents hydrogen gas, and the red represents cosmic dust. Removing the dust and gas reveals millions of stars and galaxies. The dominant feature in the center of the image is the Milky Way galaxy. Winter is not the best time to search out the Milky Way in the night sky. Summer is far better. Let's transport outside and discover what we can find in this month's sky. Arriving at tonight's sky, we discover no moon to wash out the lesser lights. In the waning crescent phase, today we had a day moon, and will for the rest of the week, moving toward this Sunday's new moon. Clear skies tonight continue the presence of winter constellation Orion the Hunter and nearby M45. Lesser known M44, the Beehive cluster, is another fuzzy patch of distant stars you can find with the naked eye. Most prominent will be this obtuse triangle, formed by Castor and Pollux of Gemini, the twins, joining largest planet, Jupiter. Spotting Jupiter throughout the week and for most of the month should be no problem. Next month, possibly, marks the first of this year's exciting space missions. A launch delayed for approximately 2 years, Artemis II is currently scheduled to launch on February the 6th. The 10-day mission will fly 4 NASA astronauts around the moon and back, the next step forward to Artemis III, when humans will once again set foot on the moon. Artemis II will be the first crewed test of the equipment that will return humanity to the moon. The journey to Mars and increasing space travel in general could benefit from off-Earth refueling stations. In early March, the NASA-funded LOXSAT satellite may be launched to discover if liquid oxygen can be stored and transferred while in space. If successful, the LOXSAT-2 mission will launch ETA Orbital's Cryodock, a full-scale fuel depot for spacecraft. In May, SpaceX may launch the first ever commercial space station, Vast Aerospace's Haven 1, into low orbit. Vast aims to produce habitable spacecraft to replace the International Space Station, which is scheduled for deorbit in 2030. The company also has plans for human habitats on Mars. This fall, NASA may launch its newest space telescope, the Nancy Grace Roman Space Telescope, with a field of view 100 times that of Hubble. Whereas the James Webb Telescope searches a narrow field for detailed images, Roman will scan a wide field in search of exoplanets and to continue studies into dark matter and dark energy. Closing out the year in November, Bepi-Colombo will complete its final mission, reaching orbit around Mercury. Over the past 8 years, the craft has completed close flybys of Venus, Earth, and Mercury. When it arrives in November, Bepi-Colombo will split into 2 separate orbiters. The Mercury Planetary Orbiter, MPO, will study the planet's surface and interior, while the Mercury Magnetospheric Orbiter, MMO, will study Mercury's magnetic field in hopes of discovering how the planet survives traveling so close to the Sun. What missions are you excited for in the coming year? Post a comment and keep the discussion going. Next month, we'll discuss what happens between now and then with Artemis II, in addition to discovering February's night sky. See the second Tuesday of next month, Tuesday, February the 10th. Till then, thanks for watching and keep discovering.